I had a nice espresso here on the terrace of Hotel Regina, and now let's go to the English Mass and see what's going on in town. Let's go together. You have the terrace of Hotel Regina for a change, and let's go to the English Mass and see what's going on in town. The rain stopped, sun is out again, people are on the move. As you can see, the town is full of pilgrims, and let's see what's going on in town.
Also, gentlemen, no hands to change the representative.
We're arriving at the English Mass. Let's see what's going on inside. Here we are.